Enjoy luxury in the wild at Earthen Nest, Khotiga Wildlife Sanctuary. Book your gateway today.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Chief Minister, Minister of Excise and the Commissioner of Excise for their efforts in promoting Goan Feni, which is our pride of Goa as a heritage drink in all the non-dry states of India by requesting them to levy excise duty at the rate lower than IMFL. I want to thank the Honorable Chief Minister for declaring our Kaju Festival, which GFDC had started as a state festival, because of the festival we could promote Kaju and Feni and the byproducts. So I want to thank the department for declaring it as a state festival. Feni has got a GI tag, Speaker Sir, and with the GI tag, we have seen that the awareness is mostly with all the big distillers, आणि जे व्हडले distillers आसात तेच ताजो तांकां फायदो मेळटा ह्या GI टॅगाचो. But we see that the awareness is not there among the small traditional distillers in the villages, and they don't know about the importance of the GI tag, and once the GI tag is obtained, and if they get this GI tag, how they can make their Feni into a premium Feni, and how their business can improve. So I would like to request the department to have some programs and create awareness about the guidelines and benefits of utilizing the GI tag among the small distillers. And because this distilling process, it's like from generations to generations, आमी पळयता, it is especially गांवांनी बी आमच्या भागान बी खूब distillers आसा, because we have lot of Kaju production. आणि पूण त्या भागान the distillers are small distillers, so they don't know the importance of GI tag. And the Kaju Feni policy of 2021, it recommends the use of copper pipes in the distillation process of Feni, which is expensive and not affordable by smaller traditional distillers. So I would like to request Honorable Chief Minister and their department, if they could implement a scheme or subsidy to provide financial assistance for these distillers for the procurement of the apparatus, so then they can use this and make their Feni into a premium Feni. If they could do that, it's going to help all the small distillers in Goa in making a Feni into a premium Feni. The second demand I want to speak on is demand on mines, which is demand number 83. We've seen that this is a matter of e-auction of the mineral blocks, which is in Poriya constituency, in two of my panchayats, in Pisulle and Honda. आमी पळयलां की मायन्स कितल्या वर्सान मायनिंग बंद जावन 2012 बंद जावन फायनली जे मायनिंग ब्लॉक्स आशिल्ले ते फायनली e-auction जाले तांचे. The first auction happened in December 2022, and तातून 4 mining blocks got e-auctioned, and April 2023 5 blocks got auctioned, and these blocks are quite next to our constituency. And I just want to mention that आमचे जे blocks आसा, आमचे पिसुल्ले आणि होंडा पंचायतीन जे blocks आसा, 7 blocks आसा, and they are with high grade rich mineral ore, and these blocks are in the non-forested areas. So there is no issue of any forest areas here, because they all fall in non-forest areas. So I want to request Honorable Chief Minister ki jata title begin, if these blocks, these are the only blocks which are pending, if Chief Minister could start the e-auction of these blocks and resume mining amche Pisulle and Honda Gawani, kidak these these villages were सामके totally dependent on mining. कित्याक वर्सां जी इतले वर्सां थंय mining आशिल्लें ते खूब वर्सां जालीं थंय mining आनी ताजे allied activities जे आशिल्ले इतले थंय truck म्हणा आनी सगळे truck owners म्हणात आनी जे whatever equipment is required for mining, all that सगळें बंद पडिल्लें आसा. It has got rusted over the years because of non-use. So आणि सगळी जी आर्थिक स्थिती आसा सोशियो इकॉनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज त्या गांवांतले इट हॅज कम डावन बिकॉज मायनिंगा खातीर दे वर टोटली डिपेंडंट ऑन मायनिंग. लॅक ऑफ जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज इन दीस एरिया बिकॉज आमचो ग्रामीण भाग जाता. सो ताजे खातीर इफ मायनिंग कूड स्टार्ट इमिजिएटली एंड दीज होंडा आनी पिसुलेचे जे मायनिंग 7 mining blocks asa which are in high which contain high grade ore, if they could be e-auctioned immediately, if honorable chief minister could take them up immediately, then je sagle amche mining truck asa, excavators asa, je kide allied equipment asa mininga khatir ani the mines asa te ani sagle je lok asa amche sagle bhagache ji arthik sthiti asa it's going to improve and it's going to help each and every family who was totally and solely dependent on mining in that area because of lack of job opportunities. Khub tras jata amche lokank. So I request in the interest and welfare of the people of Pisule and Honda, and it is not only ki फक्त ह्या गावांतल्या लोकांक help जातलो, but बाजूच्या गांवांतले साकळे आनी बिचोले ह्या गांवांतले लोकांकय हाजो हेल्प जातलो बिकॉज दिस इज गोइंग टू हेल्प ऑल द नेबरिंग विलेजीस ऑफ पर्ये कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी एज वेल. सो हांव मागता ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टराक की जाता तितले बेगीन आमचे मायनींग ब्लॉक्स आसा जे पिसुल्ले आनी होंडाचे विच इज rich in high grade iron ore could be auctioned immediately. Thank you, Speaker, sir.
तुम पळयतात गोवा न्यूज हब.